Ever stared at your lab results, feeling lost in a sea of numbers and medical jargon? You're not alone. For many over 50, cholesterol becomes a confusing puzzle, one that's vital to understand. Today, we'll cut through the confusion and help you decode what these numbers really mean for your health. Let's turn confusion into clarity and take charge of your heart health together. Turning 50 is a crucial milestone for your heart. As we age, our bodies change. Arteries stiffen, metabolism slows, and cholesterol becomes more important. Too much cholesterol can clog arteries, raising your risk for heart attacks and strokes. Managing cholesterol now protects your heart's future, so take charge and stay healthy. As we journey through life, our arteries quietly record every choice we make, meals, habits, even skipped workouts. By our 50s, decades of small decisions add up, impacting cholesterol and artery health. Cumulative exposure means cholesterol has had years to build up, making this a crucial time for assessment. Your numbers now reflect your life story. Use them to shape a healthier future. After 50, hormonal changes in both men and women make cholesterol a key health concern. For women, menopause causes estrogen to drop, raising cholesterol and heart risk. Men's testosterone declines more gradually, leading to more visceral fat and less healthy cholesterol. These changes mean it's vital to monitor cholesterol and adapt your health habits as you age. After 50, cholesterol isn't the only risk. Its danger grows when combined with high blood pressure and blood sugar. These conditions work together, making heart disease risk much higher than anyone alone. That's why your doctor looks at the bigger picture. Cholesterol is just one piece of your overall heart health puzzle. When you get your cholesterol report, the first number you see is total cholesterol. Think of it as an aerial view of a city. It gives you a general sense, but not the details. What really matters is the breakdown, LDL and HDL cholesterol, because that's what reveals your true heart health risk. So don't fixate on the headline number. Look deeper for the real story. LDL cholesterol is often called the bad cholesterol for a reason. Its job is to deliver cholesterol to your cells, but too much can build up in your arteries, forming dangerous plaque. Not all LDL is the same. Small, dense particles are especially risky, as they can sneak into artery walls and trigger inflammation. After 50, managing LDL isn't just about lowering the number, but improving its quality for better heart health. HDL cholesterol is your body's cleanup crew, acting like tiny garbage trucks that collect excess cholesterol from your arteries and deliver it to the liver for removal. This process helps keep arteries clean and flexible, lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. Regular exercise and healthy fats can boost your HDL, empowering your heart's natural defense. While LDL and HDL cholesterol get most attention, there's a third number on your lipid panel, triglycerides, that's just as important. Triglycerides are fats in your blood, stored for energy, but too much can be risky. High levels, especially after 50, signal metabolic problems and raise heart disease risk. Monitoring and controlling triglycerides is key for your long-term health. Triglyceride levels are powerfully shaped by your daily choices, especially what you eat and how active you are. Overeating refined carbs like white bread, rice, and sugary drinks quickly raises triglycerides. Alcohol and unhealthy fats also drive levels up, but regular exercise and healthier food swaps can lower them, giving you real control. While high triglycerides are a concern on their own, their danger is amplified dramatically when they appear alongside another specific finding on your lab report, low HDL cholesterol. This combination of high triglycerides and low HDL, or good cholesterol, is a particularly hazardous pattern known as atherogenic dyslipidemia. This specific lipid profile is a major red flag for cardiologists because it signals a state of significant metabolic dysfunction and is strongly predictive of future heart attacks and strokes. It indicates that your body is not only overproducing fatty particles, but is also failing to effectively clean them up. This dangerous duo often doesn't stop there. It is frequently accompanied by a third component, a predominance of those small, dense LDL particles we discussed earlier. Remember, these are the most aggressive, artery-clogging types of bad cholesterol. So, when your doctor sees high triglycerides and low HDL on your report, they immediately suspect that your LDL cholesterol, regardless of its total number, is likely composed of these more harmful particles. This combination, high triglycerides, low HDL, and small, dense LDL, forms a dangerous trio that creates a highly pro-inflammatory and pro-atherosclerotic environment inside your arteries. This trio is a hallmark of a condition called metabolic syndrome, which is a cluster of risk factors that occur together. Beyond the lipid abnormalities, metabolic syndrome also includes increased blood pressure, high blood sugar or insulin resistance, and excess body fat around the waist. After 50, the prevalence of metabolic syndrome increases significantly, and its presence vastly accelerates the development of atherosclerosis and the risk of type 2 diabetes. Your triglyceride and HDL levels are therefore key barometers for your overall metabolic health and can be an early warning sign of this larger, more serious condition. Therefore, when you and your doctor review your lab results, it is crucial to look beyond the individual numbers and see how they relate to one another. Do not just focus on your LDL. Pay close attention to the ratio and relationship between your triglycerides and your HDL. If you see high triglycerides coupled with low HDL, it is a clear call to action. This pattern warrants a more aggressive approach to lifestyle changes and a deeper conversation with your doctor about managing your comprehensive cardiovascular risk to protect your heart for the long haul. While LDL cholesterol is important, it doesn't tell the whole story. Non-HDL cholesterol includes all the bad cholesterol types, giving a fuller picture of your heart risk. It's easy to calculate. Just subtract your HDL from your total cholesterol. This simple step can reveal hidden risks and help you and your doctor set clearer goals. Lipoprotein A, or LPA, is a unique, genetically determined cholesterol particle that can dramatically increase heart disease risk. Unlike LDL, your LPA level is set by your genes and barely budges with diet or exercise. Even with perfect cholesterol numbers and a healthy lifestyle, high LPA can still put you at risk, especially if heart disease runs in your family. If you have a strong family history of early heart disease, ask your doctor about a one-time LPA test. A high result means you need to be extra vigilant about all other risk factors, especially keeping LDL as low as possible. While we can't directly lower LPA yet, knowing your status lets you and your doctor personalize your prevention plan. This genetic wildcard is a call to action. Double down on every other aspect of heart health. Heart disease isn't just about cholesterol. It's also fueled by inflammation inside your arteries. The hs-CRP blood test measures this hidden inflammation, giving you a new window into your risk. Even with normal cholesterol, a high hs-CRP means your arteries are under attack. Levels under 1 mg per are low risk. Over 3 mg per is high risk, regardless of your cholesterol. Unlike LPA, inflammation responds well to lifestyle changes. A healthy diet, exercise, weight loss, and quitting smoking all help. Some medications, like statins, also lower inflammation. Tracking hs-CRP shows if your healthy habits are truly cooling the fire within. Your most powerful cholesterol-lowering tool is your daily diet. Focus on soluble fiber, found in oats, beans, apples, and citrus, to trap and remove cholesterol. Swap saturated and trans fats for heart-healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. Cut back on refined carbs and added sugars, which spike triglycerides. Choose whole grains and vegetables to stabilize blood sugar and improve your lipid profile. Add plant sterols and stanols from foods or fortified products to block cholesterol absorption. Every meal is a chance to lower your risk. A plant-forward, fiber-rich diet is your best defense. Exercise is essential for healthy cholesterol, raising HDL, lowering LDL, and slashing triglycerides. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Aerobic exercise boosts your body's ability to clear cholesterol and keeps arteries clean. Add strength training twice a week to build muscle and improve metabolism. Consistency matters more than intensity. Find activities you enjoy and stick with them. Exercise isn't punishment. It's a celebration of what your body can do. It reduces stress, lifts your mood, and directly strengthens your heart. Movement truly transforms your cholesterol profile. Managing weight, quitting smoking, and moderating alcohol are crucial for cholesterol control. Even modest weight loss, just 5 to 10%, can dramatically improve your numbers. Smoking damages arteries and makes cholesterol more dangerous. Quitting quickly boosts HDL and lowers risk. Alcohol, especially in excess, spikes triglycerides and strains your liver. If your triglycerides are high, cutting back or eliminating alcohol is key. These habits work together to reduce inflammation and protect your heart. Addressing them isn't just about numbers, it's about long-term vitality. Take charge of these basics to build a strong foundation for heart health. Your cholesterol numbers tell a story, one you have the power to rewrite. Understanding your unique risk factors turns you from a passive patient into an active participant. High LDL or triglycerides aren't a sentence, they're a signal to take action. Lifestyle changes, healthy eating, regular exercise, weight management, and quitting smoking can transform your future. Every healthy choice is an investment in a longer, stronger life. Shift your mindset from avoiding disease to building wellness and vitality. You are the author of your health. Start writing your next healthiest chapter now. As we conclude, let us crystallize the most important takeaway. Your health after 50 is your greatest asset, and managing your cholesterol is a cornerstone of protecting that asset. The journey forward is not about a temporary diet or a short-term fix. It is about embracing a sustainable, lifelong commitment to your cardiovascular wellness. This commitment involves regular check-ins with your doctor to monitor your numbers, engage in collaborative decision-making, and adjust your strategy as needed. Your relationship with your healthcare provider is a partnership, one where your informed participation is the key to success. Stay curious, ask questions, and be your own best advocate. This journey is also one of consistency over perfection. There will be days when your diet is not perfect or when you miss a workout. That is a normal part of life. The goal is not to achieve an unbroken streak of flawless behavior, but to build a resilient foundation of healthy habits that you return to day after day. It is the cumulative effect of your positive choices that will shape your long-term health. Celebrate small victories, choosing the side salad, taking the stairs, adding a walk to your daily routine, as each one is a meaningful step on your path to a healthier heart. Share this knowledge and this journey with those you care about. Conversations about health, especially as we age, can create a powerful support system. Encourage your partner, friends, and family to also understand their numbers and take proactive steps. When healthy living becomes a shared goal, it becomes easier and more enjoyable for everyone involved. You can inspire a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond your own health, building a community of wellness around you that fosters encouragement and accountability for a vibrant future. Remember, the power to protect your heart for the next 20, 30, or even 40 years is largely in your hands right now. Take the information we have discussed today and turn it into action. Transform confusion into clarity, and let that clarity fuel your motivation. By taking charge of your cholesterol, you are taking charge of your life, ensuring that your future is not defined by limitations, but by possibilities. Your heart has worked tirelessly for you for over 5 decades. Now is the perfect time to give it the care and attention it so richly deserves. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heart health advice and updates. Join our community and stay empowered on your journey to lifelong vitality.